Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. I'm in the basement, playing with the batteries. So, I did the first one a couple days ago, 4-aught welding wire. Should have been black across the two, but I didn't think about that till later on. But I do have red across the hot side and black across the cold side. And I've been looking. I got the Flex Max, the Outback right here that I see to connect solar and the batteries there. And I watched the video. I don't seem to find the instructions. I'll have to look some more. But there's the old school way, which everybody will tell you is not the correct way to do it. But I've been doing the DIY thing for 10 years, 11 years. So I just might get that going quickly. I could get it all set up tonight maybe. But the ultimate goal is right here. And once this is done, these lugs here are $10.50 each. There's two of them on there. Plus that's probably, I don't know, $10 cable right there. So that's an expensive deal. I got the copper tubes, the copper pipes. I got them upstairs. I'm going to cut them and start making my own lugs. So when I get the batteries that Jeff gave me from Southern Ohio Solar Homestead, he gave me 12 batteries, and I don't want the lugs to cost over $1,000. So I'm going to use the copper tubing. I'm going to do it myself for pennies. But the cable is still expensive. I still got quite a bit of cable. And that'll be on another video down the line. There's been water in the basement through the years. Not quite to the lid here on the blue tub. But I think I'm going to put Jeff's batteries up there. I got to keep them safe. He donated them so I can get my act together. And I'll probably take this shelf, maybe put it down there. I want to be able to look down into all the cells. I think, what do we got? 6 cells per battery? Yeah, so 12 batteries, that's a lot of cells. And all these down here have to be refurbished. I didn't take care of them through the years. They made me a lot of electricity, but they need to be cleaned up. I think I'm going to dump the juice out, or I'll put on there's an electrical device that knocks off the corrosion on the inside and on the outside. Something like that. I got that back on the back table. Or I could do some other thing. But I want them almost like brand new again and get them up and running. And then I'll have 3 different battery banks. Hopefully by Christmas. I don't know how many vacation days I have left. I'm guessing I got a lot. I haven't been able to take any vacation days. I don't want to till I learn my job better. But there will be 2 half days coming up this week so I can get this stuff going. I got so many things on my plate. I still got to keep up with all my favorite YouTube channels and everybody that comes over and replies to mine. I try to get back to all of them and go and visit you guys because I got a lot of support coming my way. I got to return the favor. And I give the chickens their snacks 3-4 times a day. They're expensive. I like those birds. They're cool. They keep me going. They keep me on my toes. Oh, and I got a skunk. So they pretty much eat the same things that the chickens eat. So I walked up on one. Went to put the chickens in last night. I walked up. It was a baby. It didn't turn around and spray me, but I swear to God, I was 6-8 feet from it. And we both stopped at the same time. And I backed up quick and it turned and went the other direction. It didn't raise its tail. So That was an eye opener. So we'll take care of all that later on. I want to get part of the yard fenced up. I'm a little broke right now. That road trip going to see Jeff pretty much broke me. So I'm trying to get the bills caught up and everything else. And everything that I get, when I get paid, I buy things. As soon as I get paid, I already have a list of things to buy. So I'm living on a thin line. So yeah, I got seeds coming in. I got some other things. I'm waiting for Friday so I could order this other stuff. And then I will have a clean swimming pool again. Anyway, I'm babbling. So I'm going to close it out. US batteries. They will be connected to the Outback Flex Max here soon. And you have a nice solar day.